Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can get profile card on Instagram. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your Instagram app, and as soon as you've done that, this is how the interface gonna look like. Right now, for you to simply go ahead and switch to your profile by tapping on bottom right corner. As soon as you're here in your profile section, this is how the interface gonna look like. Now from over here, you're gonna simply tap on the share profile option. Now you can see we will have the QR code, but instantly for a while, according to a new update, we had a card. The card will also appear over here. You just have to tap on it, like a little swipe on your particular QR code, and your QR code will flip to your Instagram profile card, and that is basically how you can access. If you can't access it, make sure to check if your app needs an update or not. So you're gonna go ahead, go to App Store, go search in Instagram and check out if your app needs any update or not. If it does, you will tap on update option and update your app, and you're good to go. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.